Do you want to start a frozen food business, but you are not sure where to begin? Maybe you have thought about selling frozen chicken, fish, vegetables, snacks, soups, stews, or ready meals, but the whole thing feels confusing. In this video, we will make it simple. We will explain what a frozen food business is, the types of frozen food products you can sell, and the step-by-step process to start the business properly. Frozen food is a serious business because people want food that is easy to buy, easy to store, and easy to prepare. Many families are busy. Many workers do not have time to cook from scratch every day. Restaurants, hotels, schools, and supermarkets also need steady food supply. But a frozen food business is not just about buying a freezer. You need safe food, proper packaging, the right licenses, good storage, steady power, reliable delivery, and customers who trust you. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. What is a frozen food business? A frozen food business is a business where food is produced, processed, packaged, stored, and sold while frozen. Freezing helps food stay fresh for longer. It helps preserve taste, quality, and usefulness when the food is handled properly. But freezing does not make bad food good. If the food is unsafe before freezing, it will still be unsafe after freezing. Think of freezing like pressing a pause button on food. It slows down spoilage and helps the food last longer. But the pause button only works well if the food is clean, fresh, and properly handled from the beginning. That is why hygiene, storage, packaging, and food safety are very important in this business. Types of frozen food products you can sell. There are many types of frozen food products you can sell. You can sell frozen vegetables and fruits like peas, sweet corn, spinach, and mixed fruit packs. You can also sell meat, poultry, and seafood like chicken breasts, beef cuts, fish fillets, and prawns. These are everyday food items that families and restaurants often buy. You can also sell ready-to-eat meals like pizza, pasta dishes, curries, frozen breakfasts, soups, and stews. Another option is snacks and appetizers such as spring rolls, samosas, fries, and chicken nuggets. You can also focus on plant-based meals, vegan burgers, dairy-free ice cream, meat substitutes, ethnic meals, African stews, Asian dumplings, Mexican burritos, and Mediterranean dishes. When starting, do not try to sell everything. That is one mistake many beginners make. If you sell too many products at once, you will need more money, more equipment, more storage, more packaging, more suppliers, and more management. Start with one clear area. Learn the business. Build trust. Then grow gradually. Let us look at the steps to start a frozen food business. The first step is to choose your niche. A niche is the part of the frozen food market you want to focus on. You can choose frozen chicken for families. You can choose frozen seafood for restaurants. You can choose frozen soups and stews for busy workers. You can choose plant-based frozen meals for people who do not eat meat. To choose the right niche, ask simple questions. What do people around me buy often? What frozen food is difficult to find? What do restaurants and hotels need regularly? What can I supply consistently? What can I package well? What can I sell profitably? Your niche should not only sound exciting. It should be something people want, something you can source or produce safely, and something you can sell at a profit. Step 2. Study the market. After choosing your niche, study the market. Do not start by guessing. Go and observe what people already buy. Visit supermarkets, local stores, markets, restaurants, and online food vendors. Look at the packaging. Look at the prices. Look at the product sizes. Look at what customers complain about. A good business starts when you find a gap. A gap is a problem customers have that other sellers are not solving well. Maybe customers want smaller packs. Maybe they want cleaner packaging. Maybe they want healthier options. Maybe restaurants want suppliers who deliver on time. Maybe families want frozen meals that taste homemade. That gap can become your opportunity. The next step is to write your frozen food business plan. Do not be afraid of the word business plan. It is simply your map. Your plan should explain what you want to sell, who you want to sell to, how much you will charge, where you will sell, who will supply you, what equipment you need, how much money you need, and how you will make profit. Your plan should include your target market, product list, pricing, sales channels, startup costs, funding sources, equipment, packaging, licensing needs, marketing plan, and delivery plan. This helps you avoid confusion. It also helps you speak better to investors, lenders, partners, suppliers, and even your own team. If you need help structuring your plan, you can get the comprehensive business plan template from the entrepreneurs.ng shop. https://entrepreneurs.ng/shop/. A strong business plan helps you start with clarity instead of guesswork. It helps you see the numbers, organize your ideas, and prepare for growth. The next step is to register your business and check the rules that apply to food businesses in your country. Food is sensitive because people eat it. That means you cannot treat it casually. You must follow the law, protect customers, and meet the food safety requirements in your location. Business registration makes your business legal and more trusted. In Nigeria, this is done through CAC. In the United Kingdom, it is done through Companies House. In the United States, registration can be done through the relevant state office. You may also need approval from a food authority. This may include NAFDAC in Nigeria, FDA in the United States, FSA in the United Kingdom, EFSA in Europe, or the relevant food safety body in your country. You may need food safety certification depending on your scale and market. Common examples include HACCP and ISO 22000. Your product label should also be clear. It should show the product name, ingredients, nutrition information, allergens, net weight, storage instructions, expiry date, country of origin, batch number, and manufacturer details. Here is the simple rule. If the law says you need it, get it before you sell. Do not wait until there is a problem. In the food business, trust is part of the product. If people do not trust your process, they will not trust your food. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. The next step is to get the right equipment. What you need depends on your size and the product you want to sell. A small frozen food business may need deep freezers, sealing machines, weighing scales, packaging tools, storage containers, and insulated delivery boxes. A bigger business may need blast freezers, cold rooms, refrigerated vans, and temperature monitoring tools. Do not buy equipment just because someone else bought it. Buy what fits your product, your market, and your starting size. If you are selling frozen chicken locally, your needs may be different from someone producing ready meals for supermarkets. Start with what is necessary, then upgrade as the business grows. Step 6. Choose safe packaging and clear branding. Packaging is very important in a frozen food business. Packaging does two things. It protects the food and helps customers trust your brand. Your packaging should be freezer-safe, strong, leak-proof, and tamper-resistant. Common options include vacuum-sealed bags, plastic trays, and biodegradable packs. Your label should not just look nice. It should help the buyer understand the product. It should explain what the food is, what is inside it, how to store it, when it expires, and how to use it safely. A clear label makes your product look serious and helps customers feel safe. Good branding helps your product stand out. Imagine 2 packs of frozen fish. One has no clear label, poor sealing, and confusing information. The other looks clean, professional, and easy to understand. Most customers will trust the one that looks safer and better organized. Step 7. Set up storage and cold chain distribution. Cold chain means your food stays cold from production to storage, from storage to transport, and from transport to the customer. If the chain breaks, the food can start to thaw, lose quality, or become unsafe. To protect the cold chain, you need reliable freezers, backup power, good storage habits, and safe delivery methods. If you deliver locally, you may use insulated boxes or cold delivery bags. If the business is bigger, you may need refrigerated vans or third-party logistics partners who understand frozen food. You can sell directly to families through online orders and home delivery. You can supply restaurants, hotels, schools, caterers, supermarkets, or local stores. If you are starting small, begin with a market you can serve well. Do not promise delivery you cannot handle. In frozen food, late delivery can damage both the food and your reputation. Step 8. Market your frozen food business. Now you need to market the business. Even if your product is good, people still need to know about it. Start by defining your message. Are you affordable, premium, healthy, organic, plant-based, family-friendly, or focused on local meals? Your message should be clear so customers know why they should buy from you. Use social media to show your products. Show the pack. Show the food inside. Show how it is cooked. Show the final meal. Share customer reviews. Share your cleaning process. Share delivery updates. You can also use samples, loyalty offers, restaurant outreach, school outreach, hotel outreach, supermarket visits, and local partnerships. Step 9. Plan your money properly. A frozen food business needs careful money planning. Costs can add up quickly. You may need money for business registration, licenses, equipment, cold storage, packaging, labeling, distribution, marketing, raw materials, staff, electricity, water, maintenance, and emergency expenses. Estimated startup costs for a frozen food business can range from $6,500 to $13,000, depending on the size and setup. But starting cost is not the only thing to think about. You must also plan for monthly costs like raw materials, power, delivery, staff, marketing, repairs, and stock replacement. Do not price by guessing. Price with numbers. Know how much it costs to buy or produce one pack. Add packaging, storage, power, transport, labor, marketing, and profit. If you ignore these costs, you may sell many packs and still lose money. Step 10. Prepare for challenges. Every frozen food business has challenges. Power can fail. Equipment can break. Suppliers can disappoint you. Delivery can delay. Regulations can change. Competition can become stronger. The smart thing is to prepare early. Have backup power if possible. Work with more than one supplier. Keep records. Train anyone who handles the food. Check temperatures. Keep your packaging and labels correct. The biggest lesson is this: frozen food is a trust business. People are not only buying food from you, they are trusting you with their health, their families, their money, and their time. So build the business with care, honesty, structure, and responsibility. If you want the full breakdown, read the complete guide on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to start a frozen food business/. You will find more details on licensing, packaging, distribution, startup costs, ongoing costs, labeling, challenges, and practical tips to help you start properly. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel for practical business education, startup guides, growth strategies, finance insights, and tools that help you build with confidence. Visit entrepreneurs.ng to read the full guide and explore the resources that can help you take the next step. We are rooting for you. Start small if you need to, but start with knowledge, structure, and the right foundation. See you in the next video.